Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now I got two questions for y'all out there. Number one, do you enjoy woodworking? Well, of course you do, because otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video.
Well, duh.
Number two, do you enjoy waking up in the morning, grabbing yourself a fresh hot cup of coffee, walking out on your front porch, and watching the birds play out in your front yard? Well, if you answered yes to both of those questions, then today's project is perfect for you. We're going to be building a simple DIY birdhouse that you can hang out in your front yard or your garden. Now the great thing about this project is that you don't need any fancy tools or a big old budget. You just need yourself a few pieces of wood that you might have laying around and a couple basic tools. By the end of this video, you'll have your own handmade birdhouse that you can hang out in your front yard or your garden. So smash that like button and share this video with someone you love. So this is everything I'll be using today. Got a little piece of plywood here that we'll cut out, make our shapes and everything for the birdhouse. Saw to cut everything, tape measure, wood glue, some nails. We got our little triangle here so we can make our angles, sandpaper, hammer, and a little miscellaneous stuff in there. First things first, let's get this measured out and the sizes that we want, how big or small we want to make this. All right, so for the bottom, we're gonna make just a little square. I think we're gonna do a 6x6. So let's mark out here. And we'll take our level here, just draw a line across. Down here, same thing. So that's gonna be our little bottom piece there. I think for the sides and the front and back, I think I'm gonna go 6 inches tall as well, because we don't got a lot of big birds around here, just small birds around here. So I think 6 inches tall, right, is gonna be wise. So 6x6, 6 inches tall, and then we'll do a 45-degree angle for the roof. So let me finish getting this measured out, and then we can start cutting this bad boy. Here we go. I don't know how well you can see, but everything's marked out, drawn out, shaped up, bottom, 2 sides, front and back. Here's a little circle. You know, I'm not the best at drawing shapes, but I got a drill bit that will cut that out, so no worries. So now that we got all measured out, now comes the fun part. Let's get cutting. Here we go. There's all our pieces right there. Got the front and the back, sides, bottom. We got 2 roof pieces. So now I'll take these, I'll get them sanded down. After we sand them down, we'll try and drill out the hole on the front piece.
20 minutes later.
Got the drill set up for a little bit. I don't know if it's quite big enough, but if we need to make the hole bigger, we'll figure out how to finesse it, make it a little bigger. Let's get this thing cut out. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's quite big enough for a bird to fit through. Maybe it is, I don't know. But I'm gonna try and get this a little bit bigger. So let me figure something out.
1 hour later.
All right, well, my dang drill died on me. And to be honest with you, I don't even know if it's working anymore. It got water on it. Last couple of days it's been raining and I accidentally left it outside under the table. And it's got some water in it. I mean, look, I got it charging and everything, but the light ain't even on. So to be honest, I don't even know if it works anymore. I'm gonna try and just leave it on the charger, hope for the best. But anyways, we're gonna keep going, get this thing put together, and we'll figure out how we can finesse this hole to be a little bit bigger later on when we got it built. Let's get it put together. So I'll be using some wood glue here. It's silicone, but you know, same difference. You can use it for ceramic, wood. This should still work pretty good for us. A little pack of nails here that will secure it together. Let's get this thing assembled. got her on the clamp with some glue. Let that settle for a moment, and then we'll nail it together.
2 hours later.
All right, we let the glue settle a little bit. We'll start nailing this a little bit together and get the other pieces on. And there we are. There's our cute little birdhouse. And we did end up fixing our hole. Got her all nice, circled out, looking good, correct, right. Actually looking like a birdhouse now, huh? Yeah, let's go. So there you go. I hope that gave you guys some inspiration, some ideas, you know, a nice, easy, simple little DIY project that you can do on an afternoon. You can even go the extra mile. You could paint this bad boy, stain it. Just make sure that if you're gonna do that, make sure it's non-toxic stain, non-toxic paint, all that good stuff. Obviously, we want to take care of the environment and the critters out in our yard. So there we go, a cool little birdhouse. Now I'm gonna go hang it up out in the yard, go watch me some birds. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video of Mundo's Home and Garden. We'll see y'all next week. Peace.